putting aside. So today we are making yummy and sumptuous meat pie. So the recipe I sent to you guys is what we are going to use to make our meat pie. We are going to make meat pie and chicken pie. Meat pie and chicken pie is the same crust. The only difference is the filling inside. So the recipe that we are using, summarize
She summarized this thing last semester. The people that I received one thing semester. I mean, last session.
Okay, are you ready? So we added our flour, all the dry ingredients. We added the flour which is 250, sugar which is
100 grams.
sugar which is what?
100 grams.
Salt which is what? Baking powder which is what? Of baking powder. So add all the dry ingredients, mix it, add your butter in the middle, then aerate it, mix it well into the flour, then add the egg and the water. We said we use 1/8 and 1 tablespoon. It's just because we are not through yet, that's why I'm still working it, adding drops of water. So once we are through with this, with our crust, we use cling film, wrap it and put it in the fridge. If you don't have cling film, you use nylon, but the cling film is always advisable. Why are we using cling film when we are using? Apart from water, if you use nylon, water will not enter. Cling film makes it, whatever taste or smell that is in the fridge or freezer will not enter here.
Okay.
That's work of the cling film, because cling film and nylon are always serving the same thing. But the advantage that cling film has is that the smell, if you have iru in your fridge, this one will not be tasting iru. Yes. If you want it crusty, you use cold water. If you want the crust to be flaky and crusty, you use cold water to mix it. After mixing, you put it in the fridge. That fridge is still, you just need the fridge. Why are you putting it in the fridge? So that all the ingredients will settle into each other. Yes, refrigerate.
Okay.
Do you understand? It doesn't mean that even if you don't have light, just put it. That cold environment is just what it needs. We don't need it to be blocked. It's not. We are not affecting the texture of this crust. We just need it to sit so that the sugar will marinate into the salt will marinate into the butter will marinate into the flour. That's the essence. Yes, at least 30 minutes. Do you understand? You can do less, but at least 30 minutes. You can, but you just have to leave it to rest. Oh yeah, wear nylon, they make we tie am, put am for fridge.
The alternative, what do you call that alternative now?
Cling film or nylon.
What's a clean film?
Cling film. If you buy food from ShopRite, that white nylon that they used to do like this to cover your food, to wrap your food.
Foil.
It's not foil.
Okay.
Once you cut it, it rests on the body, it sticks immediately. That's a cling film.
The lighter nylon.
Yes. They sell it, it's like foil in the market. Once you use it and cover, you just need it to be soft.
No.
It's not okay yet. Nylon, oh. So we can start group A. Start mixing the other. For the meat pie, the crust of the meat pie is the same recipe you are going to use for the crust of the chicken pie. Do you guys understand? So the recipe is what we use to get this. Yes, you can. You have to roll the sausage roll to be very flat. If not, it will be puffy. So do you guys? Yes, after you put it in the fridge, that's when you roll. This one is also in the fridge. It's after we put it in the fridge that we'll now roll and Start filling. Okay, so group A, we are going to use the down. They look me like saying a back of cloth I wear. The recipe is in the book now. Carry it to your side. Take.
Okay, the baking pan.
Bring the baking pan. Okay, the flour.
I need to that cup I used to mix to pour water inside all pastries. But pending the time I bought all these measurements, I think I can make use of anything I'm doing at home.
That has that meal measurements.
There is a foot measurement beside
Yes,
it.
yes.
I can use
You
that
can
pending
use
the time
that
I
one.
like one.
This
So any
one.
work I did, that one, that measures.
Yes.
I'll let you taste it.
It's okay.
Before I have money to buy all this.
No problem.
Thank you. That was what I wanted to do.
This thing.
If I want to do it for just little bit of commercial, I'll do up to like maybe 2,000, 3,000 grams of flour.
Yes, you have to. You know,
If I'm doing egg roll, sausage, buns, meat pie, I want to do like 5 types of snacks.
Yes.
I use up to 3,000 grams of flour.
Yes, for each one. So what we are supposed to use now, half tablespoon in the recipe. It was 1 tablespoon. So you're using half tablespoon. Half tablespoon is not the same as half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon.
This is half tablespoon.
Yes, you can see that it's bigger than 1 teaspoon.
See 1 tablespoon.
So this one is teaspoon. Half teaspoon.
TBSP is what?
Tablespoon.
TBSP is what?
Tablespoon.
It's better to buy the
Because if you buy beef, you are still going to go through this.
mash. So chicken don't have mashed one.
If you mash it, if you cook them, you know you go to find them inside pot. Now you go turn water. Beef is stronger. If you mash this one, by the time you put it in the pot, now you don't turn water. The same measurement I did.
If it's green like this, where you will
Now, so
not
now
pay.
just small they go put. Then this one we need to teach you so you know. So now when you start doing your own, if you reduce, you know say now you create your own recipe. Not be saying na me we give you that one. I heard someone saying pomo pie. Pomo pie. Another recipe.
Anything can happen.
I've actually seen where someone bought meat pie in a bag and there is beans that is inside.
Jollof rice.
Yes. Beans.
Jollof rice. Jollof rice. Instead of potato and the one I decided to use that red beans. That one we use for fried rice.
Kidney beans.
But that one doesn't have taste to me.
Doesn't have taste.
It doesn't have just so even if you are making your
It's just to have to be colorful.
I can use hot dog. Like, what's great another one? I can use hot dog. Better. Yes. You can use hot dog. I use hot dog. That's another. Ma, can't we use hot dog? That's another good recipe.
You can.
Hot dog is better. Hot dog is like this. Yes.
The bag. So don't go and don't be too generous with oil here. Don't be too generous. At this point, when you want to do your meat pie, remember so Ororo don't cost. So you use small. Ah.
I was thinking, I was saying to you that I believe this oven they used to make meatpie. Yes. He's now telling me that the sauce you want to
The sauce that be inside.
I thought you want to fry it.
Even if I fry, no go chop. If I fry, no go chop.
But if you don't have
There are people that use that pot that they use in making cake.